Greetings from Glaros Beach, located in the small village of Kato Galatas, just 5 kilometers away from Chania, the second largest city on Crete Island. And quite a huge beach is this one, and that I'm visiting and showing you on this 22nd of April, Monday. It's quite warmer today than the previous 2 days, as this is my day 3 of my beach adventures in Crete for this time. And I decided today to take a walk from my hotel in Agia Marina, that's called Tapladas, all the way to Chania and back. So it's a total of between 8 to 9 kilometers, depending on the route you take. And right now I'm almost halfway. So this beach is located 4.5 kilometers from Agia Marina, where I'm staying, and from here there is 5 kilometers to the famous old Venetian port in Chania that I'm going to take a picture of. Can you see my flag here, which you can imagine that is the flag of Greece. So yes, let's then get ready for the beach adventure here before I continue to walk along the coast. So I'm gonna make lots of kilometers today with my walking. I could have taken a bus, but then I would have missed the beaches along the way. Maybe I'm gonna take a bus on the way back, but I have missed few beaches along the way. So let's see. This is the first beach adventure of the day. Paralia Glaros Beach. And it is 24 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the water I need to double check the satellite temperature, and I can also measure later as well. Let's see. So what does the satellite measurement says? 17.7 it says today. I guess it's because of the winds, because yesterday it was 18.3, the satellite measurement. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but it should be pretty much fine. Yes, it's this sand here, it's quite nice on the feet, but as you enter the beach there are rocks. I'm not really sure if that's the case from the whole beach, as it is quite huge. So let's take a walk. As I see an entrance over there that doesn't have rocks, and further away I think it's the same. I think it's more convenient if it is sandy. So yes, over here it's fine, where the sunbeds are supposed to be when it's season, as the season has not opened yet, obviously. But this is probably packed all summer long here with many tourists. Okay, there is sand inside here. That's cool. Water is a bit chillier than yesterday, but yeah, this is how it is. And there are actually large stones inside, so not the best spot to take a swim, to be fair. But it is obviously the same sea as the one in Agia Marina. But that beach in Agia Marina I prefer more. I'm stepping now on large rocks here, which probably are put here in order to cater for the large waves that come here on the north coast of Cyprus. And yes, I'm just walking from one stone to another, hopefully to land on some sand soon. No, that's not the case, at least at this part of the beach. I'm not really sure about the rest over there, but I'm pretty sure it's about the same over here. Okay, but then it seems I won't reach sand over here. Anyway, so we're gonna take a swim as I really need to continue my walk towards Chania and show you the beaches there as well. Cool, then let's take a swim. Let's go. It's nice. It's nice despite not having fully sandy bottom here. It's quite nice. And behind that bay over there is another beach that we're gonna visit soon. So you're gonna check that episode later on my channel as well. And yeah, on the way out I'm gonna show you the rest of the beach as I walk out on all my beach adventures. So thanks a lot for watching. Greetings from Glaros Beach, Paralia Glaros, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!